Now we will hear from Cami Raymond with Vocational Rehabilitation Services, a very important partner.
Hi everyone, I'm Cami Raymond and I work in our local Marshall Vocational Rehabilitation Services office. It's a long name and a long title, but our agency is basically here to assist people with disabilities and their goals to competitive employment. I work with folks from 18 years, well, earlier, even 16 years, all the way up to retirement age. And I've been part of our local project search since the beginning. I was part of the original planning committee and have been with it since the beginning. And it's a very exciting project where a lot of different agencies come together and work together to try to make not only the training portion of project search school year, but then what that looks like after after graduation and for competitive employment afterward. And so I'm with Mary Kay and Missy throughout the year in the planning meetings, and we look at, okay, what internships are you doing? How is your progress? What do you like? What do you not like about each particular internship, and how can we plan and use that information for what they're going to do for work after graduation. And there is a vocational rehab counselor assigned to each high school. You may or may not already be associated with a VR counselor. And then so if you're interested in project search, you can definitely talk to your IEP team and your teachers and start that conversation. We also bring in a vendor, a placement provider, to help at the end of the year to look for that job search. And we use all the information that by the time you're done with project search, you have a resume, you have references, you have those job references that can vouch for your employment or for your work tasks and your improvements. And we use that to look for work. And we partner with our main placement vendor in Marshall is Advanced Opportunities. Now we have interns coming from all over right now. And so if you are not in Advanced Opportunities catchment area, we connect you with your local placement vendor. And we also partner with the county services. And if you qualify for long-term job coaching support, then you will have that job coach for ongoing supports in the future, and that's what the county does. And we also work as kind of a team to get you connected to your local county services if you're not already connected. There's a lot more to VR and how we work together in project search,